playing cards, cheating as usual. It's Saturday, a fairly nice day, a little bit overcast, but the weather's supposed to be good. Here's Dave trying to look like Popeye. Not so good at cards, and here's the score. And as you can see, the minus means that people owe them. And I'm doing pretty good. We're headed down Plumper Sound. Headed down to the San Juans, I guess. Probably Friday Harbor. It's the Jazz Festival. At least it is tomorrow. Yeah, you're at a kind of resonance there, eh?
She just cranked up to make it probably lose that rumble.
The battery's just about had it. Keep singing whistle.
That's a nice plane. Real nice plane. Beaver.
Pete's new toy.
What, Beaver's your new